Alright guys, as you can see, we got the drift car back in the shop tonight. So tonight we're going to be finally getting the new hydro installed. We got the LS400 in there. We're going to do a little bit of a switcheroo between this hydro. This one's going into the LS400. That one is going into here. So the reason for that is I want to be able to run reservoir to run just a single line straight back. Excuse me. Tee it into my rear brakes and just run it that way for now. So we're going to get that one pulled out real quick and work on getting the new one in. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we got the old one out. We just gotta go down underneath the car, pull these lines down through, and then follow them up. So now we're just gonna get the old lines pulled out, follow them up to the ABS module up front right here. And I'm not sure exactly which ones it is. If it's these two or these two down here. So I got to trace them up here. We're going to pull those out, whichever ones those two rear ones are. Cap it right here at the pump and run our new lines. Alright guys, so this is like a week after this video started. I didn't get the hydro finished up that night. I just got the ABS module plugged and then called it a night. So it's Saturday now. We're going to get this thing in. I need to pull the plugs back out again, and I didn't think about it when I put them in, but I need to let the little flare fitting or a little bit of the line in with the flare on it so it actually seals, because with just the plug it's seeping a little bit of fluid. So I got to pull the plugs back out, put the flares in, seal that back up, and then we'll get around to getting this all mounted up. Don't mind my dirty hands, I was working on my other car. Get this mounted up in here. I'm hoping it'll still work on my original plate I had made for the other one. I think it should, but yeah, we're gonna get that mounted up, run the line, and go try it out. Hopefully it works. Alright, so this is the progress we made so far. Got everything mounted up. Seems to be pretty sturdy. I might have to, the side to side is a little bit of wobble. I might have to run a brace from my plate here down into the side of the tunnel there, but I'll try it out, see what it turns out. See how solid it is. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, I think. I will have to get bucket seats at some point because it's going to be pretty tight on this bolster on the seat right up beside here. But I think it'll be fine for now. Alright guys, so it's Monday. We got hydro installed Saturday night. I didn't get much video of that afterwards. We went out and tested them a little, made sure they work. But here's what we ended up with. Everything went together really easy. It's very simple, one line down the bottom, teed it into my two rear main lines. And I need to re-bleed it again. If it sits overnight, it kind of feels soft. You pump it up a couple times and then it'll get pretty stiff. So I'm gonna have to re-bleed it again, but we're gonna go out, get a couple clips of using it, show you guys how it works, and have a little bit of fun. And we also got the original one out of my car into the LS400. Looking pretty good. He's gonna do some trimming around there, get it to fit around the trim a little better, but looking pretty decent. So we're gonna go try both of them out, see how they work.